Welcome back to the Numbers Game, where we uncover the hidden stories behind every number and reveal their surprising impact on the world. I'm Alexandra Parada. Today's number is 2008, the year one of the biggest financial institutions in the world fell, the Lehman Brothers. At the time of its collapse, Lehman Brothers was the fourth largest investment bank in the United States. It had 25,000 employees around the world, $639 billion in assets, and $613 billion in liabilities. When it filed for bankruptcy on September 15, 2008, it became the largest bankruptcy in U.S. history. Lehman Brothers began in 1844 as a dry goods store in Alabama started by three German immigrant brothers. Over time, the firm expanded into commodities trading, brokerage services, and eventually investment banking. It survived the Great Depression, 2 world wars, and even several market crashes. But in the early 2000s, Lehman took a risky turn. Like many financial firms, it dove into the booming housing market. It heavily invested in mortgage-backed securities and collateralized debt obligations, and even acquired 5 mortgage lenders between 2003 and 2004. Some of these lenders specialize in Alt-A loans, which are offered to borrowers without full documentation. In the short term, the strategy worked. From 2004 to 2006, revenue in Lehman's capital markets division jumped 56%. In 2006 alone, the firm securitized $146 billion in mortgages. By 2007, it reported record profits, $4.2 billion in net income on a $19.3 billion in revenue. But trouble was already brewing. Because in 2007, cracks in the housing market began to show. Mortgage defaults started to rise. Lehman's stock price peaked in early 2007 at over $86 per share, but it soon began a steep decline. And despite warning signs, Lehman held onto its massive mortgage portfolio. By late 2007, it had underwritten more mortgage-backed securities than any other firm, holding an $85 billion portfolio, 4 times its shareholder equity. In 2008, the situation only got worse. The firm's high leverage, about 31-1, left it extremely vulnerable. It reported a quarterly loss of $2.8 billion, its first since becoming independent from American Express. Management tried to raise capital and restructure, but confidence in the company collapsed. By September 2008, Lehman's stock dropped 77% in just 1 week, and attempts to sell the firm or secure outside investment failed. And on September 15th that year, Lehman Brothers filed for bankruptcy. Its collapse helped trigger a global financial panic. Markets fell sharply, credit froze, and some estimated that the crisis cost up to $10 trillion in lost economic output. So 2008 marks a turning point in financial history, and Lehman Brothers became the lasting symbol of the dangers of excessive risk, leverage, and overconfidence in booming markets. Now that we know the significance of 2008, are you able to guess the next number? This has been the Numbers Game, where every number tells a story, right here on Money FM 89.3.